This is Life Pang from Today's Inspiration, and I just got something delivered that I want to share with you. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. And ta-da! Here is the brand new Art of Ron Lesser, Volume 1. This is from Bob and Bill and Jay Kingston. And wow, the cover is amazing. Probably my favorite Ron Lesser. I don't know that I could choose a better option for a book cover celebrating Ron Lesser's art. Well, let's take a look inside. And yeah, looks amazing. This is some of my favorite of Ron Lesser's artwork for sure. And yeah, there's a great little interview with the artist. And tons of awesome artwork and photo reference as well. That's one of my favorite things, is seeing an illustrator's work and the photo reference. So this is pretty great. Fantastic. Well, I won't go through the whole thing page by page, but I will do a flip through to give you a better idea of what you can expect. Beautiful layouts. The book is beautifully designed. The color is fantastic. Tons of fantastic photo reference throughout. And of course, there's lots of great anecdotes from Ron Lesser himself. And yeah, 50s, 60s, and 70s, which is my favorite period. Love these layouts. Awesome. I'm so thrilled to have a copy of this amazing book, and I want to thank the guys for sending one to me, and I hope you'll consider getting your own copy, and I will put a link to the ordering instructions below. All right, have a good one. Talk to you soon.